2. The Commissioner. Kendriya Vidyalay Sangathan. 18 Institutional Area. Shahid Jeet Singh Marg. New Delhi 110016, India. Subject: Recognition of voluntary services by TGT, P and HE, teachers in KVS, regarding. Respected Madam, it is with great respect and concern that I submit the following lines for your kind observation and necessary action. The TGT, Physical and Health Education, teachers in Kendriya Vidyalayas have been consistently contributing to the teaching of classes 11th and 12th both in practical and theoretical aspects, since the inception of physical education as an optional subject in KVS. This has been done voluntarily by the TGT, P and HE, teachers despite being aware that, as per CBSE norms, only PGT level employees are officially qualified to teach and evaluate classes 11th and 12th. Their dedication and commitment have significantly contributed to the consistent good results of students in the subject and also overall results of KVS2. This voluntary service, although against CBSE norms, has been carried out with the full knowledge of many KVS administrators, including principals, assistant commissioners and deputy commissioners who have recognized the positive outcomes. However, no action or appreciation has been extended to these teachers for their invaluable contribution. Regrettably, it has come to notice that some KV principals, assistant commissioners, and deputy commissioners, unaware of this long-standing practice, have begun issuing memos to these teachers on 11th and 12th student results. This action is highly disheartening, given that these teachers have been rendering their services selflessly for the betterment of the Sangathan. Therefore, in light of the above, I humbly request your immediate intervention to address this issue, before the physical education community got frustrated and take the decision of boycott of teaching 11th and 12th classes. Hence, you kindly consider issuing a directive that acknowledges and appreciates the contributions of the TGT, P and HE teachers. Such a step would not only recognize their efforts but also ensure a positive and encouraging environment for all teachers in the KVS fraternity. I am confident of your prompt and kind attention to this matter. Thanking you. Yours sincerely, KVD Prasad, Deputy General Secretary. 1. Copy to Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, Minister of Education, Government of India. 2. Copy to Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya, Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. 3. Copy to Dr. Piyush Jain, National Secretary, Physical Education Foundation of India, Member Governing Body, Sports Authority of India, for information and necessary steps to be taken.